If you like chocolate and cheesecake, wait until you try this No Bake Chocolate Cheesecake. It is criminal how good and easy it is, and it takes only 7 ingredients to make.
So good.
First, prepare the crust with Oreos and melted butter. Pack it tightly in the bottom of a springform pan and refrigerate. Next, you're going to make a chocolate ganache. Mix dark or semi-sweet chocolate with heavy cream and stir over a double boiler until melted. Separately, whisk cream cheese, sugar, and a little salt until creamy. Then add the chocolate ganache and whisk until just combined. Lastly, whisk a little more heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks and gently fold into the rest of the mixture. Transfer that beautiful silky chocolate cheesecake filling to the pan, spread it out, and chill overnight. Now for the optional toppings, I like to make some more chocolate ganache as well as a chocolate whipped cream with heavy cream, cocoa powder, and sugar. Once the cheesecake is set, pour over the ganache and dollop on the whipped cream. And you're ready to enjoy the best chocolate cheesecake you have ever had.